how to write a resume.
Okay.
First of all, the first thing that you need to do is to find a job on Indeed. Let's say I want to find a job on Indeed like this. So it's GTA. It is ESL. I'm an ESL teacher. So which one? The money is good. Let me check the money. Not good. Not good. Not bad. Maybe this one. Let me see how much they pay. They don't say. That's usually 40, 45. Okay, it's good. 35 hours. 8:30 to 4 p.m. Look. So, first thing first. When you go to Indeed, you will choose a job from the left. It has, as you can see, it has two parts. One part is on the left, one part is on the right. So I'm choosing from the left part. From the left part, I will choose, let's say this one. You click on it. When you click on it, it's loaded on the right. Then you push apply now. You can see a new window will open. After a new window opens, you can see the full job description. Full job description. You can say see more details. It's for a link instructor as an example, and these are the job description that you need to. So I copy the job description first. So they need somebody who has these qualifications. Am I right?
Yeah.
So what do we start the resume with?
Name.
Excellent. After that?
Address and email.
No address. No address. Please.
Telephone number.
Please do not write address.
Okay.
Please do not write address. It's very dangerous. Telephone number, yes.
Okay.
Telephone number.
Then
Email address.
email address. So telephone number. And as you said, you gotta write your email address, for example. And your LinkedIn. Which I don't know. Right now, I have no idea what is my LinkedIn. So I will put it later. The next one is summary. Should I write it now? No, I will write it later because I have to get back to it when I finish everything. The next one is skills.
Experience.
Skills.
Skills is soft skills and hard skills. Soft skills and hard skills. For example, you gotta say that. So, what skills should I mention? So, TNO Neighborhood Organization is a well-established community social and health service agency providing a wide range of programs supporting low-income and newcomer communities. So, one of the keywords here is link, then newcomer communities across different through online services and referrals. We are seeking link instructor to join language instructor for newcomers program. So full contract role. No. So this is a full contract role. You will be successful role with a university degree or degree college introduction, so university degree. In education. TESOL Ontario certification. PBLA assessment certification. So what does it mean? Means education. So remember, what am I doing? I'm using the job description to create my resume. So I said university degree, I'm gonna say BA or bachelor's
degree.
of art, bachelor of art, BA in education. And then certification. Certificates. TESOL Ontario certificate, a portfolio certificate. So let's say, for example, so I'm gonna, okay. Then experience as a secondary, experience teaching English as a second language, teaching experience as a second language, adult newcomers, demonstrate knowledge of curriculum guidelines, skillful have experience in crafting inclusive, equitable learning environment, report to the language and skill development manager, design, implement, instruct English link program based on guidelines. So duties and responsibilities. Guys, where did I copy this? I copied this from the job. This was the job description. I copied it from the job description. Teach classes in a career, assist learners organize, provided computer, teach lesson through oral, use audio video equipment, provide a photocopy, accompany clients learner, run mock sessions, design, implement, design, develop, conduct, design, prepare, submit. Based on lesson and evaluate, prepare, maintain, organize, prepare, create, provide screening. We talked about this. We talked about this. We talked about this. Benefit, not important. So, This is the email I should send. This is the subject line. This is the date. These are not important. PBLA, TSL, these are not important. Okay. Let's get back. So far, again, we wrote the name and the last name, telephone number, LinkedIn, we're gonna create a little bit later. Summary, we're gonna write it later because it's a summary of everything. Skills, one by one. After skills, again, I can do it later, but first we're gonna say employment history. In the employment history, we're gonna start with the title. For example, right now I am, let's say, a link instructor. Time, I'm gonna say, let's say 2022 to 2025. Then I'm gonna say location. I'm gonna say, for example, Welcome Center, New Market, Costi. So, the title of your job, duration. The next one is your duties. What responsibilities you had. So, how much of these do I have here? A lot. So half of it should go to up to here. Okay, I will copy half of it. Here. So one by one. Teach, assist, provide, teach, use, provide, accompany, run, design, design. Okay, then I'm gonna change it into past tense. Taught classes in accordance with Canadian Language Benchmark or CLB. What? I copied the same thing from the job description? Really? Yes, really. You want to get the job? That's how it's done.
Unbelievable.
Unbelievable.
Yeah.
Unbelievable that nobody told you that. Yeah, I know. Why? Why is that? The question is that why do you write exactly the same things as the job description and everything as the job description and stuff? Why is that?
Because you are
Because
you are
I'm
answering
smart.
what they
Yes, I know.
require, right?
No, because a computer checks it. What? 99% of the companies, 99% of the companies, a computer chooses your resume, not a person. They gave them the job description, they gave, let's say, 200 resume, the computer matches them. That's why. So, taught classrooms assisted learners in organizing and updating the PBLA language portfolios as evidence of their learning process, provided, so don't forget that, so assisted, provided, again, taught, used, provided, accompanied, run, designed, implemented, instructed, like this. Designed. Okay, one more time, just check it to see if it's not incorrect. Provided computer assisted instructor using language software, learning software, like for example, Avenue.ca, and MS Word programs where appropriate. Taught lessons through oral presentation, interactive lessons and role plays. Use audio video equipment to present information. Provided photocopies of lessons and homework assignments. Accompanied clients to no. Designed, implemented, and instructed English as a second language classes in LINK program. ESL.
So teacher, why in a past action?
Why not? You know, the meaning is I have done that.
Ah, okay.
I have taught, I have assisted from 2022 to 2025. We made it short because instead of saying I have, again, I have, it's repetition. That's kind of boring, isn't it? So just like this, taught classes, provided, designed, like this. Design, implement, instructed classes and link programs based on PBLA guidelines. Design PBLA-based module plans daily following revised Canadian benchmarks. CLB. So that was the first job. So it was link, cut. Let me put it here for later use. Gradually, I'm using the job description. So, TESOL Ontario. So, portfolio certification. I'm going to say 22, 5. Let's say, doesn't matter. 2022. Okay. Again, okay. Let me cut this and put it here. Again. So next job, let's write another job. Another job is, I'm going to say, for example, ESL, instructor. So for, let's say, York district, or I could say, first of all, the years 2020 to 2022. Be careful, the last one was 2022 to 2025. Now I said 20 to 2022. So ESL instructor, this one. What about people with no prior work experience? You should just talk about your skills. No employment history. Then again, location, YCDSB, York, YCDSB, York Catholic District School Board, for example. And now I will copy the rest of it. Yay! So again, developed, conducted, designed, prepared, submitted. Really? Yes, really. Was it hard? Yes. The problem is that it's not hard, but let me save it for a second. And close it for a second. Open it again. Okay. Okay. So prepared, submitted. So
evaluated,
excellent. Evaluated,
prepared,
maintained,
organized,
prepared, created, updated, provided, like this. Because it's too long, I will delete one part. So evaluated, prepared, maintained, organized, prepared, created. Okay. So, and the ones that you don't like or you think it's not important, you will delete. So, bachelor. No. Done. Really? Yes, really. Was it hard? I don't think so. Okay. Summary. Based on the things that we wrote. They say dedicated, link, and ESL instructor with, I have 25 years experience. How many years should I write?
Well, you should write 25 years.
5 years?
25 years.
Let's write 5 years.
less than
Why 5
10.
years?
Do not write 25 years.
No, less than 10.
Exactly, less than 10. Dedicated link, why, Aziz?
I don't know.
Because they're not gonna call you. They think you think too highly of. 25 years, he is
overqualified.
no, it's not about your age. It's the thing that you think about yourself as a manager. So you know everything. You're telling them I don't
You
know
are
anything.
overqualified.
Exactly, you're gonna be
Maybe over.
Yes, you're gonna be overqualified. Dedicated Link ESL instructor. ESL instructor with
Peter, you have a lot of experience.
over 5 years experience. In various organizations. So the name, remember, is TNO. TNO. Okay. So just remember the name is TNO. I'm gonna write it here so in case you forget. TNO. So dedicated linking CSN with over 5 years in various organizations. Teaching. English as a second language to adult newcomers. Again, I copied this. Teaching English as a second language, ESL to adult newcomers. What about the resume if you do not have a spontaneous rise of experience? I mean, you spend some of the years on study after, no problem. You write the same thing. It's not a problem. So, this is not going to be useful. So, I talked about newcomers, yes, here. I talked about link, so I don't need this. CLB. Okay, this is important. Okay. Have experience in creating safe, inclusive, equitable languages that are free from discrimination. Important. You will design, implement, instruct English language classes in Link based on PBLA guidelines. Good. Okay. I want to mix this sentence with this sentence. So dedicated, So let's say proficient at CLB curriculum guidelines, comma, and have designed, implemented, instructed English ESL in a link program based on PBLA for language assessment guidelines. So, as a say learner as an proficient. What's this? Proficient at CLB guidelines and have design implemented in link program guidelines. So let's say have I try to create a safe, inclusive, equitable environment for all or I have always strived to create a safe, inclusive area for all discrimination. My main goal is to create a learner-centered language instruction based on tailored let's say curriculum lesson plans based on students' goal and need, goals and needs. Yay, finished. A learner's in the language based no. Skills help
Working in welcome center.
no, that's a skill.
Computer skills,
Excellent.
for example.
Computer skills,
Computer, yeah.
for example.
Teamworking is a skill.
Yes, teamwork.
And
Detail oriented
Well organized.
organized
Ability work to newcomer.
patient newcomer.
detail oriented, organized and patient.
Yeah.
We have a newcomer. Hello.
What else? Enough?
Communication is a skill.
Communication.
Excellent. Communication. Communication.
Problem solving.
Excellent. Skills and problem solving.
And time management.
Class
For
and time management skills.
Do not modest. Say.
So the only thing you should add to this is strong, like this. Strong computer skills, like avenue.ca, Google Classroom, Zoom, Skype, for example, Teams, MS Teams.
Words and
Excellent. Office suite. Office suite means all the software related to Office. So, teamwork. Demonstrated teamwork.
Teamworking.
Detail-oriented, organized, and patient. Communication skills. So this one I can move here. Demonstrated communication and problem-solving skills. Excellent class and time management skills. Detail-oriented, organized, and patient. Okay, one more. Teamwork.
Ability to work independently and teamwork.
Very good at teamwork. Okay, something like this. Are we good? So what is the next? So now we have name, telephone number, email address, LinkedIn account we're going to create in two seconds. This is the summary. These are the skills. Employment history, job number 1, job number 2, education certificates. Yay! And you should send it to this place. Was it hard so far? No.
no.
That's okay.
Okay. The next thing that you're gonna do is making a LinkedIn account. But because it's the break time, kinda, if you are, shall we take the break and continue after the break?
Yeah.
You can continue. Let me do this, what happens. So, creating a LinkedIn account. Open a browser. Go to LinkedIn. Then you need an email address. Because I'm gonna make it with my own email address, I'm gonna use email. So I'm gonna put just one name because I don't want to use my own name. Is it good? Mike Blue. nozzle. Next, save. So ESL instructor, permanent full-time. Let's say Costi. Continue. After that, they will send you an email. Says confirm your email address. They're going to send you a code. You put the code. Next. So skip for now. Mike Blue, add a photo. You choose a photo. A photo. Man in suit. Formal clothes. Which one is good? This is good?
Yes, good teacher.
I think this one is good.
Yes.
Try to put a professional photo. Save photo. This was not the photo I chose. This is the wrong photo. It's not professional. Where is the photo I saved? I saved this one. That's okay. Okay, I will change it. No, I don't want change. I want to change the photo. Dance month. Dance month. Where did I save that photo? Oh, it's on desktop. Okay, save photo. Continue. Finish. Okay. Your profile is created now. The first thing that you're going to do is click on the triangle, view profile. The first thing is Mike Blue. You click on this icon here to make the URL more user-friendly or something. So it was for a link job, I'm going to put link. So it's Mike Blue link. So if I click on my profile now, you can see the URL. If I go to home and click back on my profile, it should be corrected, but it's not corrected. It's a link. Yes, it's corrected. Do you see that? It's a beautiful no numbers. This is the place that you can correct that. Okay. This is my LinkedIn profile, the last piece of the puzzle. So www.linkedin.com, Mike Blue link. This is my LinkedIn account. So name, telephone number, email address, LinkedIn. So if I, okay. So the last thing I need to do is probably try to change it into one page. So what do I need to do? So assisted, provided computer assisted instruction using language, Avenue and MS Office programs. So one here. I'm trying to make it a little bit more fit. My goal is to create a learner centered based on the students' goals. So a little bit more. Conducted needs assessments with learners, assisted them to set learning goals and develop lesson plans accordingly. Designed assessment tasks, ongoing evaluation program based on CLB. And language mainline guidelines. Yes. Okay, Irmak, can you remove that number? Now I showed you. I showed you now. Click on this. Click on it. Just click on this, and here you can edit this. You can make it more beautiful. You can. Try it. So benchmarks, you want a little bit more. So design PBL module as well as daily lesson plans following CLBs. Done. Look guys, it's one page. Do you see that? Do you see any pictures? No. Do you see any tables? No. Remember, a computer program is going to correct this. I mean, check this. That's why no, nothing. Okay. Now I can save it on the desktop. Okay. So add profile section. It says about. About is the way that you just open this. For example, if it is, and paste this, the summary part. Save.
Summary part is
exactly, it means about. Now we have about. You want to add, for example, education. You can add education. You can add whatever you like. So also automatically you can add your resume like this. Automatically it adds everything to your profile. So upload, experience, education, and skills are uploaded automatically. Yay! So it says.
Excuse me, would you say where it is for automatically?
I will show you again. And also it's in the video. So again, about, experience, education. For example, education. So IAU, bachelor's degree, TESL, save. Yay! So, question, I have a master's degree. Do I write master's degree?
I think so.
No.
No, sir.
Overqualified. Overqualified. They say college degree or bachelor's degree. Maximum.
Okay.
That's why if you write it, you're going to be overqualified. They're not going to call you. You think that if you write higher, they're going to call you. No, it's opposite. So, skills. Additional was certificates. There are certificates. Languages, I can add languages, for example, English. Save. And another language I can add. Add your languages. So skills, education. The only thing I need to add is my certificate. Certificate. Where is education maybe? Oh, licenses and certificates. For example, you're going to say TESL Ontario. TESL Ontario. Save. Yay! So again, about, experience, education, licenses, skills, languages. That's your LinkedIn account. And it is in your resume here. So far, we're good. The next step and the last step is writing a cover letter.
Mm-hmm.
So you want to send them an email and telling them that I have. So it's better that you make this into our PDF file. Or if you want to send a Word file, you should go to Options, go to Save, embed the font. Otherwise, everything is going to be mixed up when you send it. The better option is saving it as a PDF file. Okay, this is the PDF. One more time. Remember, we are applying for this job. This is the link. I copied the link. This is the link of the job. Based on this link, I created a new resume, Fatime. A completely new resume based on the job description. Each job you have to do, unfortunately, if you want them to call you. Otherwise, don't waste your time. You apply for 400 jobs in one night and you expect them to call you, they're not gonna call you. So, now is the time that you open your email, just like this. You're gonna go to your email. Account, you push compose to, what was the email they gave me? Recruitment at blah blah. What is the subject? It says the subject should be application for link instructor. So then you're gonna type your email. I mean cover letter. Dear hiring manager.
Team. Okay, manage.
Or team. I am writing this email to apply for the position as link instructor as advertised on Indeed. You can say website. You can find enclosed my resume for your reference. Okay. Then if you want to, if you're not in a mood and you're lazy like me, you can copy this. And you're gonna say, I am a dedicated link and ESL instructor with over 5 years experience in various organizations teaching English as a I am proficient at I am proficient at CLB curriculum and I have designed, implemented, instructed English as a secondary in link program. I have always strived to create a safe, inclusive learning area that is free from goals. So that is free goals. Okay. So then after that, so you told them that you're applying for this position. You told them that your resume is attached. You told them this is you. Then Finally, you're going to thank them. Thank you for your time and consideration. I look forward to discuss my qualifications with you and see how I can contribute to your organization.
To your team. To your organization.
Discussing my qualification and
Sing.
so yours sincerely or faithfully,
Telephone.
then
Telephone.
exactly, very good, exactly. Same information that you had there, you gotta put them here.
Email address and
Exactly. So telephone number, email address, and LinkedIn account. So one more time.
position.
So dear hiring manager, I'm writing this here. Apply for the position of link instructor as advertised on Indeed website. You can find close my resume for your reference. I'm a dedicated ESL instructor with over 5 years experience in various organizations teaching English as a I am proficient. This is something. Thank you for your time. I look forward to discussing my quality. Means please give me an interview. Yours faithfully. Telephone, blah, blah, blah. So far, did I miss anything?
No.
No. If you want to do it on Indeed, most of the jobs are like this. You have to upload your resume. You click on upload your resume. So the PDF that we created. One more time. Upload your resume. Can find you, save, continue, continue. And you're gonna say what time you're good. For example, you can say weekdays 1 p.m. as an example. Continue or back. Weekdays. I forgot the S. Okay, this part is important, guys. So this is your resume. Okay? Then you put supporting documents. Supporting documents. This is the part that you can upload a file or type your resume. Type your cover letter. This is for your cover letter. You just open the cover letter. And copy and paste, exactly. And update. So what happens here? This is your name. Okay, this is your resume. And this is your cover letter. So now you submit. This is the last part that you submit.